Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a general reading about what is coming towards you in May. It is a general reading, it is not related to any particular sign. So if you're seeing this video, it might be a message for you from the universe. So let's get started. Also at the bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Wands. So some offer is coming towards you, okay, some good news or some new offer is coming towards you. It might be a new opportunity as well, and it is coming really fast, okay, it is coming really quickly. So yeah, okay, so in your past we have the Death card, the Eight of Cups and the Tower. So definitely you had a Tower moment in your past. I think something ended in your past and it was not good for you, okay. The thing that ended for you actually harmed your mind and your spirit. So you suffered through a lot because of this Tower moment. I believe that in your past you had a relationship where the person that you were dealing with was not on your level, okay. The kind of love that you were offering was not offered by them. So the relationship ended, okay, and it harmed you mentally, it harmed you physically. You went through a lot because of this ending, but you were the one who decided to walk away from this relationship, okay. You were the one who decided to walk away from this relationship. I believe that the person that you were dealing with was not a good person, okay. They were playing games with you, they were cheating on you, or they were like continuously lying to you about things, and you decided to walk away from the relationship. There were like certain secrets in your relationship, they were hiding things from you, and you were the one who decided to walk away from the relationship. And definitely the relationship ended, okay. It ended after a lot of mess. You both went through a lot, especially you were the one who went through like most of the things, because you actually put your heart and soul into the relationship. So you were the one who went through a lot when the relationship ended, and definitely it was a Tower moment for you. See, there are like two people falling down, okay. So one person is like falling on his own and the other is being pushed. So it was quite devastating for you, okay. It was very heartbreaking for you, but it was important, okay. It was important for you because this Tower moment is the reason why something good is coming towards you, okay. This is the reason that you're leaving the bad things behind, you're leaving the bad experiences behind, and you're moving towards something new. And this energy is very beautiful. The Ace of Wands and the Eight of Wands, okay. So you might be dealing with a fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries at present. Something new is coming towards you, okay. Something new. I believe that what you wanted in the past is coming towards you in present, okay. What you wanted in the past is coming towards you in present, because some new opportunity, it might be related to your career as well. I'm not particularly talking in context of love, but in the past your trust was broken, okay. You were going through a lot, because the Death and the Tower together is like a major problem, okay. It's like something that was very devastating for you. It broke you, it broke your heart. It actually, like, I believe it took you time, okay, and you're still recovering from it, you're still healing from it. It's not like that you're completely healed from it. It is taking time, but you're moving towards that, okay. You're moving towards the healing. And The overall energy is the Ace of Wands and the Eight of Wands. So definitely something good is coming towards you now. Okay, since the bad part is over, so something good is coming towards you. Your future, we have the Seven of Swords, the King of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. I believe that the past person, like the person who caused you the Tower moment, they're trying to reconcile with you. Okay, they're trying to talk about things, they will try to make things work. Okay, they will try to make things work in the future, like in the month of May. But you will stand in your power. Okay, you will stand in your power. Like, you will not forgive them. I believe you will not forgive them, and obviously you won't forget. Like, you're not forgetting what they did to you in the past. Okay, because the past thing is still causing you a lot of problem, it is still causing you a lot of trouble, so you're not ready to forgive this person. And I believe that they're not changed also. Okay, they're just asking for your forgiveness so that they can be in your life, they can still have access to you, but they haven't changed. They are still the same. Okay, they're still doing things behind your back, and they're still lying to you, and they're still playing games. But just because they don't want you to move on, they don't want you to move on to someone new, they're still like keeping contact. Okay, they're still trying to hold on to you, because I believe that they cannot accept the fact that you have recovered from this. Okay, because they put you through so much that they thought that you'll never recover from this, you'll never feel good about yourself, but you have recovered. Okay, you are recovering, you have recovered, some of you have recovered, or some of you are recovering, and this is something that is troubling them. Okay, that is something troubling them, because they expected you to suffer more. Okay, they expected you to suffer more, and now that you're in your power, you are taking wise decisions, you're thinking wisely, you're not making impulsive decisions, and you're thinking very practically. So this is something that is troubling them. That is why they're still trying to keep in contact with you. Okay, they are going to come towards you with an apology, or maybe with some basic hi, hello, how are you sort of a message. But I believe that you will not accept this apology, or you might forgive them. Okay, you might forgive them, because it is important for you to heal. You believe that forgiving them is important for you to heal. But whatever decision that you make, because some of you think differently, just don't forget that what they did with you in the past. Okay, don't forget what they did with you in the past, and then take a wise decision. And I believe a communication apology or something is definitely coming your way. But if you decide to let this person go, okay, if you decide to let this person go who broke you or who played with your feelings, you're definitely going to have a fresh new beginning with a new person. Or you might this might not be related to love anymore, because of the Tower moment, you're not ready to fall in love like immediately. So you are concentrating on your career, you're concentrating on your business. Okay, so I believe that there are chances that you might receive some good news in your business as well, or in your job, or in your career as well. Okay, but this Tower moment, though Tower moment is a very emotionally draining movement, it is a very emotionally draining movement, but it is important, because sometimes we hold on to things, too tightly. We always try to make things work, and then we are not ready to let things go, and then the universe forces us to let those things go. Okay, so I don't know whether you let the situation go intentionally or unintentionally, but you had to let something go. Okay, you had to turn your back on something, because something was draining you. It was draining you mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, in every possible way, and that is why the universe caused the Tower moment, so that you won't hold on to that super tightly and you let this go. Okay, because death is not just about endings, it is also about new beginnings. Okay, it is also about new beginnings. So unless you end something that is toxic, you will not have a new beginning. So you had to go through all this so that you can have a fresh new start. Okay, you can now put all your focus on your work, or you can put all your focus towards a new relationship. But definitely in the future you have positive, very confident energy coming your way, okay? And definitely I believe some good news is also coming your way in terms of money, okay? Some good news is coming. But yeah, your past person will try to contact you. They'll still try to talk to you about things. They might come with an apology or something, but now you have to make a wise decision about it, okay? You have to think like a king, okay? You have to think practically. You have to think with your mind, okay? Not just with your heart, okay? So I believe something good is coming towards you in May, definitely. Let's see what is the message from universe for you. Okay, so your message is the 4 of Wands, the Star, and the 9 of Swords. You are thinking too much, okay? You're like thinking too much about a situation. You're disturbing your peace of mind. So the universe is actually trying to tell you that stop overthinking, okay? Stop overthinking and trust the process. Whatever you wished for, whatever that you deserve, and is coming true, okay? Something good is coming true. There might be reconciliation also. There are chances of reconciliation, or there are chances of celebration. But after seeing all these cards, I believe that you're going to receive a new offer from a new person, okay? You're going to receive an offer from a new person, because you're not going to accept your past person's offer. You're not going to accept their offer. But yes, you are overthinking right now. Maybe this Tower moment is the reason why you're overthinking about things. And it is not that you're blaming the other person. It is like you're blaming yourself, because you trusted them, you fell in love with them. Stop overthinking, okay? Don't overthink about the situation. Whatever happened, happened. No one can change that. But you should concentrate on your present and your future now. And something good is coming towards you. A good news is definitely coming towards you. We have the Star, the Ace of Wands, the Page of Pentacles. Maybe you're going to get a new job offer, or maybe you're going to reach heights in your career, or maybe you're going to have a new partner or a new happy relationship in your life, okay? Something beautiful is coming towards you. There are also celebrations on the card. So definitely something beautiful is coming towards you. Okay, so that is what is coming towards you in May 2021. I hope it resonated with you. If it did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.